Well, get ready for a roller coaster ride in temperature this week. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. That is one of the next big things I'm tracking here at the Weather Center. So today and tomorrow, highs reach the 50s and 60s, and then the temperatures will tank on Wednesday and Thursday, back in the 20s and the 30s. Looking back at the night sky this weekend, we had a picturesque sight of the moon and also Venus, very bright next to the moon in that night sky. Expect a similar sight the next couple nights as we will be able to see some partial clearing in that night sky. Today's first forecast, though, calls for some clouds, hazy breaks with sunshine, a variable sky, we'll call it, with temperatures coming on up through the 20s and 30s through mid-morning, pushing the 40s and 50s by lunchtime, 50s and low 60s by the end of the day, with a southwest breeze giving us that boost in temperature. We're going to stay above freezing overnight tonight. Right now, though, we are at or below freezing for most communities, so yeah, you'll need that winter coat this morning with temperatures on the colder side. But 29 First Alert Doppler is showing us clear conditions. Satellite shows a few clouds overhead, but the main storm track is staying to our north with a swath of snow from the Dakotas into the northern Great Lakes area that will bypass us to the north in the short-term outlook. I'm watching a weather disturbance coming out of the Gulf. You can see some clouds gathering off of Texas, and that's going to head northeastbound and give us our next weather system, but not until Wednesday night. Futurecast will verify that our high-res weather tracker shows in and out of clouds and clear skies, a variable sky the next couple days, but no precipitation. Here's Tuesday. It's dry, clouds and sunshine. The clouds fill in on Wednesday. Cloudier and also colder northeast breezes will lock in those colder conditions out ahead of our next weather player, which will arrive here on Wednesday night into early on Thursday with mostly some cold rainfall. But there are some indications that for the Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah Valley, there could be a little bit of a wintry mix of snow and sleet, but nothing very significant because temperatures are going to be above freezing in the mid-30s overnight Wednesday night. And then by Thursday, we're going to see drying trend, dry Friday, and pretty much dry this weekend, and maybe a week from now, perhaps next Tuesday, our next best chance for some rain and even some snow as it does turn colder. But look at the temperature fluctuations. 50s and 60s tomorrow, 30s on Wednesday, then we're back to the 50s and 60s on Thursday, Friday, cooler on Saturday, warmer Sunday, and then there's next week as it does trend colder once again. In your 29 First Alert forecast on this Monday, otherwise it's partly sunny, highs in the upper 50s and low 60s, Louisa, Charlottesville, and Stanton. Tonight, well above freezing. Overnight lows in the upper 40s to the low 50s. Tomorrow's forecast, a wide range in temperature. Upper 50s near and north of Route 33. Mid 60s Charlottesville, but nearing 70 south of the James River. Here's your 7-day forecast. We're in the 30s tomorrow night. 30s on Wednesday, cloudier skies. A mostly chilly rain Wednesday night. Drying out Thursday, Friday, and this weekend with highs warming back up to the 50s and 60s at the end of the